Hello everyone, in today's video let's paint a beautiful sunset painting with butterflies. Now let's get started. Now let's see the colors for this painting. So I'm going to use these colors in today's painting. Let's first take the color yellow orange and I'm going to apply the color on the top of the canvas. Let's mix the color yellow orange with the red and I'm going to apply the color on the top of this canvas. So this color it's like a orange color. So we are going to apply the color on the top of the canvas like this. Now we can mix the color yellow with yellow orange and this orange is really beautiful shade and I am going to apply the color in the center of the canvas. So you can choose any size of canvas you want. You can choose a square canvas or round canvas. Here I am using my flat brush number 6, so it helps me to blend the colors and apply the colors in a short time. Now we can mix the color yellow orange with red again and I am going to apply the color in the horizon of the sky. Now our sky is almost ready. Now let's paint some clouds in the background. To paint the clouds, I have chosen the colors yellow mixed with white and I am going to apply the color in the center of the canvas like this. Here I am using my round brush 4 and just I am going to take the color yellow and I just apply the color in the center of the canvas like this. I am using my round brush to paint the clouds here, but you can use any flat brush or round brush you are comfortable with. You can use that brush. Now it's time to paint the sun in the center of the canvas. Here I take my detailing brush and I'm using the color white and I'm going to paint a small circle in the center of the canvas. To finish the circle, we can fill the circle with a white color and now I am using my round brush 4 to fill the color. In step 2, we are painting the ground. Here I mix the color brown with this red, so we get this brownish shade of red and I am going to paint the ground here. So here I am using my flat brush 4 and I just fill the color in the bottom of the canvas like this. Mixing the color black with brown, we get this dark shade of brown. So we are going to use this brown to paint the grass in this painting. So here I am using my round brush to paint the grass. So first just paint some base here. Once we finish this, now we can paint the grass. So to paint the grass, I have chosen my detailing brush and I am going to draw small lines. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Rexana. I am an acrylic painting artist. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners and in this video I am painting this beautiful sunset painting. And I really made this painting especially for beginners with a simple step, and the sunset painting is always everyone's favorite and I made this painting really easy for beginners. And if you really like this video, then please let me know in the comment section and you can leave a suggestion if you want something to paint and you can leave that in the comment, then I can paint that. Now let's add more details in the grass. So here I take the color red. I am going to paint something like the outline here, and once we finish this, now let's draw some little dots in this red line. If you like my painting and find my tutorial really easy and helpful, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook to know all the regular updates about my paintings. In the step 4, we are painting the butterflies. First, I trace the image and use my pencil to draw the outline. Now let's take the paint and I'm going to fill the outline first. So here I'm using my detailing brush to draw the outline. So once we finish draw the outline, then we can fill the color. If you don't have a detailing brush, then no problem. You can use the tip of your round brush to paint the tiny lines here. That also works better. Now let's see the final look of this beautiful painting. I really like this painting. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.